So today has been a day. Not only does Naya have pink eye, we're at the pediatrician office right now, our tire popped in our car. Now we have to travel by Uber. That's inconvenient. But alas.
All right, now back it up. All right.
Babe, come next to your daughter. If it wasn't for me having surgery next week, I wouldn't mind getting pink eye.
No, she gonna raise herself today. I'm not getting by her. I had that before. I'm not.
So have I. Everyone has had
When the
pink
last
eye.
time you had it? How long it's been? When you was a little kid?
No, I feel like I had pink eye as an adult.
No, I had it in 2017. And it's
Now you remembered the year.
Yes, August 2017.
Mommy.
I was with the J. Cole like this. Put a finger in the sky if you feel it.
Mommy, your little eye.
She ain't gonna even have that shit. She's got a little couple front eye. That's all.
I think we might have caught it early on by the
That
fact.
don't mean shit. What that supposed to mean? She gonna still get it?
When I tell you the struggle has been real, this has been my day. I'm working from home while also following Naya around. The thing is, lately she's going for the camera. Big mommy. So no se toca, no se toca. Ay. I know. Go here. Oh, God. It's normally not this bad. Our nanny had pink eye, so she called out yesterday. When Naya woke up, I was like, her eye looks a little tiny bit swollen. Not enough to really see. Mommy, don't you try to finesse me. She tried to act like she was going the other way. She like crawled that way and went, Okay. Mommy, look at the chairs. You love the chairs. Juega con la silla. Ay. Oh, that's nice. I forgot what I was talking about just now. When she woke up, I was like, her eye's a little small. Let's just take her to the pediatrician early so we can, get ahead of it being an eye infection. Especially if I have surgery. Because if I have surgery, I can't have pink eye. Like the surgery room is like sterile. And we think she's fine. Her eye is getting better and she never had like the crusties. So we're just gonna finish the full treatment, which was 6 days, and go from there. It's so weird because like staying home with Naya and working from home, it makes me realize that I could totally do this without a nanny. But my nanny is she's too OG, bro. Like she helps with everything. She like helps us with our laundry. She helps us. She makes food for us every day. And I know it's like the come up because she's technically our nanny, like me and Jalen's nanny. Okay, Naya. She's super mobile. Come on, mommy. Let's just chill. No, you don't want to chill? That's fine. Like I could work from home and work with her in peace, but then it's like preparing the food as well. Granted, we could always order food, but... Mami, ¿tú por poco te caíste y te rompiste la cabeza? Uh-oh. She just did something she never does. She like threw herself down. She was gonna hit her head. I gotta keep an eye on you, mommy. You're gonna just drop down at any point. The only thing that like makes it super difficult is the food situation and the laundry, bro. Honestly, like I am not a laundry person. Yeah. If you wanna fall on your face, this is the place. No, mommy, that is not yours. Yeah. Now who's gonna get to the camera? Damn, I guess you. Not her laughing. However, if I was doing this every day, I would have laundry piled up and we'd never eat a home-cooked meal. my work from home job isn't like chill. So I have an enterprise selling role at like a tech giant, and I'm responsible for big accounts and a lot of revenue. I definitely have to be heads down for most of my work day. I feel like if my schedule is more chill, or if I had like a different role within my company, I'd be able to just stay at home with her. But with the role I'm in today, it's like, and the reason we have a nanny is because I work from home. Having a nanny is a big expense, but I want to be there for Naya in her beginning years. I want to see all of her development and everything. And if I send her to daycare, then I'll miss all that. And Jalen's a pro, let's send her to daycare. And I'm like, listen, I work, and I've worked a lot in my life. I have worked my way up to be at a certain point in my life where if I wanted to sacrifice some other things and keep this money for a nanny, I could. And that's exactly what I do. The nanny's more so I can see Naya grow instead of sending her to daycare. So there's that. And while I'm working, that's what it will be. Like Jalen's like, oh, let's put her in daycare now. And I'm like, it's either I stay home and don't work, or I work and she is at home with me, so I can like smell her if I wanted to throughout the day. So shortly after I ended that video, I was like, oh my God, let me quickly make her plantains. And I set the camera on my counter and it fell and it broke. That was short-lived. I just got this camera. Well, the lens broke. And I'm not gonna lie, every part of me wanted to tell Jalen, like, Jalen, you should have seen it. Naya got up and slapped the camera, and like the camera fell. And then I was like, bro, I'm not gonna blame Naya for something that's not her fault, even as a baby. I'm gonna take accountability. It was my fault. But if he could go ahead and please purchase me a new lens to replace my old one. It's not that bad. But I just called Jalen and told him that I did it. And yeah, he's like, I'll talk to you when I get home, man. So there's
Yeah, exactly what I told you was gonna happen last night happened.
Guys, Jalen fixed the camera. He fixed the camera. Damn, that's a man right there. Fixing cameras. Fixing cameras.
Look what I got.
Another vacuum?
But you'll be proud of me, bro.
Baby.
So, you know the company that we just did the little brand thing for, Back Market?
Yeah.
I got it off of there. Let me just...
Did they give you a discount?
No.
So why would I be proud, babe? You have this vacuum here. I'm gonna go around. This is another vacuum that washes and cleans the floor as well, right?
I know, but that's me.
And we have two Roombas, and then we have like
Roombas is in this closet right here.
I know, they're like tossed in there like shoes. Where were they?
I don't know.
Okay, we weren't.
Listen to what I'm saying.
Okay.
This is go on Amazon. This Narwal, $1,200.
I know, I love it, but it's expensive.
I got it for $329 on the Back Market app.
Damn, that is actually pretty good.
They have like, you know, like fair, good, and excellent. Like,
yeah.
Excellent. Look, they came with the box. How you gonna get something refurbished with the box? They refurbish your boxes now?
Alright, so it's a good one.
So, this don't just give you Apple vibes like you finna open up a brand new MacBook for Christmas.
But what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do with the other? We gotta put this tree together too, babe.
Oh shit, damn.
What?
That one came out the box. Oh, this shit big.
Yeah, Lucy has this one.
No, she don't. She got the other one though. But the other one costs $2. But this one is the
What, the papa upa de la matica?
Yeah, the
big monkey in the tree.
Look at your daughter, babe. She's gonna fall.
Get in the box, mama.
I'll put myself together for today eventually, but I haven't been able to because it's been a day.
Brand new.
It is brand new.
Like you
I do like this, so you don't have to refill it. See, that's why I don't use that other one. Why'd you buy that one?
Because I didn't have $1,200 and I didn't know about the Back Market page. Look, they got the sticker still on here, so that shit can go. I'll put this over there in the corner.
We can put this in the laundry room.
No.
Why not?
Because it's, first of all, have you seen our lunchroom?
It needs something like that. Mami, ¿qué tú haces en la caja? ¿Qué tú haces en la caja?
We could put this in the pantry. They got a plug in the pantry, but I mean, I'm cool with it right there.
Who's they? They got a plug in the pantry.
The pantry owns a plug and it's in there with it.
Damn, you put a fingerprint on it. The only mark on this whole thing, your greasy little fingerprint. Nah, I'm not gonna lie, this is nice.
That was a nice find, bro.
This was a super nice find.
That was 20% down there.
It's brand new for real.
Bro, you know it's new when they got the manual. If I send something back to Amazon, bro, I'm keeping the manual. Bro, there's nothing wrong. There's nothing, like, I can't, you know how you can look at something and see, like, oh, it got a little dirt in the crevices? Like, there's no way that this is refurbished.
I'm gonna buy all my electronics from them. But we bought ones that said excellent on it.
This one said excellent, yeah.
Yeah.
And, but for something to be excellent and it be $329 when the Black Friday sale for this was $800.
It's like buying something returned at the store at this point, cause.
Yeah, open box from that. Open box. Hey, cut it out. Give me that, man.
Don't yell at her for
what?
The paper
For what?
you gave her.
I didn't give her that. She climbed in the box and got it.
You put her in the box.
I didn't put her in the box.
You said get in the box, mommy.
Get in the box, mama. Here.
Anyway, we're really fans of Back Market now. And it's a relief for me because Jalen's always buying electronics.
No, but let me tell you though why this one better than that one.
No, I know. You don't have to explain
This
it.
thing been mopping the carpet.
No shade to this one because within its price point, how much was this?
That one, the regular price was like $500. I got it for like $200 or something. So it's still too high.
So this one's 200 something. And then this one's like a robot.
$1,200.
$1,200. So would you say that?
Yeah.
That difference.
Whatever you finna ask. Yeah.
So Naya just went down to sleep, as you guys can see right here. She is asleep, and this camera's actually super cool because like I can like see her whole room. Like I can go over here and look at the chair if I'm rocking her, or I could look at her little changing table, and I can go back down, look at her chair, and then I can go back to her. So I like that. Stop zooming. Oh, I see. And you can zoom too, I guess. So there she is. She just went out for her nap, and I did a real quick, like, let me just put myself a little bit together because this is when I'm gonna get the bulk of my work done. She sleeps for like 3 hours or so. Now she's doing just one nap. She does from at least 1.5 to 3 hours. So that's enough time for me to do like the busy work part of my job. Because while she was awake, you know, like I would take calls, etc. because she's just, you know, running around. But when she's asleep, now I can sit down and do what I need to do. Because calls I can take, you know, standing up. Now I have, with AI, it takes our notes from the call and everything. This is my get together face right now. I know I'm wearing this robe the whole day, so I'll go ahead and take off my robe, whatever, because I have a call I have to be on camera for. But it's 2 o'clock and I don't even have pants on. So that's been my day. So I just really quick put a headband and put some lipstick on. I have so much lipstick now since that Revlon event, a lot. And yeah, now I get to sit here, get on this call. I'm gonna get on a few calls and talk to you guys later. Here's my work from home face. I'm gonna be like, I agree.
Maya. Hey, mommy. You never get to sit like that in your chair, huh, mommy? Watch your head, boogers. Boogers. What you doing, mommy? What you doing?
We're cleaning. I don't know if you saw our last vlog, but I'm sorry, mommy. Oh my god. But we need to pick up. So here we are picking up. What'd you get from Express?
This is hangers.
Oh wow. Jalen has a lot of clothes. Jalen, do you want me to take these people into the closet right now?
Come on, bro.
Okay.
Your shit littler, bro. Your shit smaller.
Okay, so this is my stuff right here.
Hook to the
I'm
right.
going to.
Okay.
These are my pants. These are my shirts. Look how loose everything is, right? Loose. And this is it.
You got.
And then I have.
You don't have a dresser
my
outside
dresses.
with all your stuff in it?
My underwear, you have the stuff
Okay,
too.
and you have a dresser right here too. All
right,
up and down.
my
And you
okay.
got all the shoe space.
Okay, but I'm not talking about shoe space. This here is all his clothes, and that's not even counting the clothes he has in bins outside. Jalen, it just doesn't
I don't
compare.
have no clothes and bins.
Yes, you do.
Okay, yeah, suits and stuff like that. You want me to throw away my suits?
No, I'm not telling you to throw away your shoots. I'm telling you
So
that
first
there
and
has
foremost,
to
she
be.
don't got a lot of clothes because she be on a subscription rental place. And all
That's
of that.
now. I've always had Jalen. You have to just admit you have a problem, bro. You have a lot of clothes.
Scoot your shit to your side, bro. That's you.
Jalen, because you took up all he has all
It's the middle. It's the middle.
in all the
It's the middle,
closets
bro.
in the house he has all his coats, and then he has like it's just like an
Bro, this
obnoxious
the
amount.
middle, and I go to my side. Why
Jalen,
can't
please.
I? You want me to? Bro,
Look
I'm
how
not in no
empty-
department
look how-
store.
look how
I'm not in
empty
no-
this
I'm not-
is.
baby, this ain't.
This
baby,
is
this
empty.
Ain't no fashion show, nothing.
I know. The only point
Let
I'm
me fill up my closet, bro.
Jalen. It first of all.
Let me fill up my closet. You told him how you came through and stole all my hangers?
No, first of all, then I bought more hangers and he stole all my hangers. All my hangers are
I don't even know what
gone.
you bought more hangers for. We had some in the. I just pulled them out. Look, boom, right there.
Those were the hangers I bought.
No, they wasn't. First of all, I packed them from LA. They was
But
in
where
a
are the
box.
hangers I just bought? I just bought
I
like
have no clue what you
I
do with
bought
the stuff you
100.
bought.
No, that Bexy's been using them and she said she's been putting your clothes away with
That's
them.
that's your nanny. That's not nothing to do with me.
How is it my nanny?
Because you speak to her in Spanish.
Don't yell, hi, mommy.
What?
You know, when she yells, she thinks when we are speaking, she thinks we're yelling at each other, but we're not. And so she wants to
No,
yell
she's
too.
just tired and hungry.
No.
Look at her, bro. She's tired and hungry.
She is tired and hungry,
She ain't got
but
nothing.
she doesn't like hearing us yell.
Well, then tell people what it is and we can stop yelling.
Jalen, be truthful, bro. You're a hoarder. Just tell them, like, it is part of your issue. That's why we have 19 vacuums. It's okay.
No, I'm just trying to find the right one, bro.
Mami, eso.
You hungry, mommy?
She tried to imitate your laugh.
Let me tell you how smart our daughter is.
I know how
I got her a cup at the place. A cup. I got her a cup.
Yeah.
And it was like a little paper plastic cup because I was like, man, this cup is gonna be perfect for her to like chew on, play with while I'm holding her in this tire place. So you know when you get a paper cup, you can yell in it and it amplifies your voice.
Yeah.
So I'm like doing like, ooh, ah, and it's like louder and stuff, like playing with her in the store. While she grabbed the cup and she said, ah! She knew exactly what was happening.
Smart.
She knew what was
Oh,
happening.
babe, look, it's her bonnet.
Put it on. It's time for it now, bro.
This might be too tight on her, bro.
No. Put it on.
Here, mommy. This is your bonnet.
Baby, put it on.
It's tight.
It's
You,
not
look,
tight.
let me. Just so you can see how tight it is on her head. No, don't put it on your head. What does that got to do with anything?
Because it's not tight on my head. My head way bigger than her shit.
You know that's tight on your big
Baby,
head.
this the ultimate test if you put it on your head. You ain't even get that was a joke. It's not that tight. In your
It's
head
not
big
that
than a mother.
Not why'd you flinch like I beat you? You flinched like we got issues, boy. Babe, I want to go to Hobby Lobby.
Well, you better hide your ass to the lobby.
That's exactly what I'm talking about, bro. She just pulled this
Let's
over
see.
her face.
Let's see what she do. She trying to get that shit out.
She's like, take this off.
But it's so cute. It's so cute, mommy.
She literally just went like this and had it over her face. This is the problem. She's too young for a bonnet, baby.
No, them little ass babies be having them bonnets, bro.
On pictures.
We need to put a do-rag on her ass then and tie that bitch up.
Here, mommy. Here's your bonnet so you can play with it.
So she can wrap it up. How you do your shit? You gotta be okay with putting this on sometimes. We let you make it all the time, bro.
Oh, my mommy need that. Greeting avocado, mommy.
Them too square, bro. Flatten them up a little bit.
What are you talking about?
They too square, bro. That's what's the difference between eating that and a piece of Lego or something? That's square. Flatten it up a little bit. This one's fine right here.
She can't even grab them because they're skinny, baby. She's gonna be like, I don't want that either. I want it like sweet potato. She's gonna curse his head. It's a proud man over there.
Cause I'm telling you, you got a little dirt on the top. Chew it, don't swallow it. Big ass bitch.
Do you know we found a nice mouth today?
Why is it in your pocket?
Why is what in the pocket?
A freaking thumbtack.
A thumbtack, bro. She saw a thumbtack on the floor, picked it up, put it in her mouth, and Jalen was like, what do you got in your mouth? When he saw that thumbtack, boy, did your heart drop to your bowels?
Because there's always the chance of you missing it and her just...
Yeah.
It's my thumbtack.
Yeah. You really rescued her, bro. That shit would have been crazy. I don't even want to think about it.
She wouldn't have even choked.
No, she would have just pierced an intestine. We're gonna go put Naya to bed, canoodle.
It's still early.
What do you mean? It's so dark out.
It's 5:54.
Damn, bro, we got like 30 minutes. I wanted to go to Hobby Lobby, but...
Don't go to Hobby Lobby when she goes to sleep around. What you trying to get from Hobby Lobby?
We still haven't done our Christmas.
Man, that tree, we got some bulbs upstairs. Put them same bulbs on there. We don't need to get no other bulbs.
If she doesn't like when you talk like
I'm talking low.
She doesn't like when you talk.
Yeah, we don't need no new bulbs. You gotta repurpose the bulbs we got.
It's been a rough day, but this here is always our regimen. So Jalen does bath time, and I will clean the kitchen and prepare her bottle. Multitasking is like the craziest thing. There's so much stuff like on my head at one time that I forget to do stuff. So like we have this collaboration with a brand and I forgot to send a video. But I did just edit the video just now and now I'm sending it in. So we're good there. I'm the bottle girl. No, but I'm the one who prepares her nighttime bottle. So she gets 8 ounces. She has her dinner at 6, and this is her last bottle of the day. So in total, she has 8 times 3 is 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Damn, 28 ounces. She needs to slow down, bro. So from this point forward, I have like 4 minutes. I love these for when I'm cleaning. They are not disposable, reusable napkins. And I will link them in my bio. Not my bio, I'm so used to Instagram. I will link them below so you guys could shop them if you need them, but so much better than spending a bunch of paper towels wiping down counters. Going. definitely do not think that the kitchen is Jalen's forte. It overwhelms him a lot more than it overwhelms me. But then there are things that overwhelm me more than they overwhelm him. For example, I don't do well with having lots of random timelines on my calendar for bills. So he handles all the billing and all of that. And now this is the very last part of the kitchen, which is Naya's corner. Since this is Naya's stuff, I use her all-purpose, baby-safe wipes because, of course, I don't want to use a bunch of chemicals around her things. This is like where we make her formula. Just kidding, I forgot I also have to clean her little chair. You saw the disaster that was here before. Now, kitchen is clean. You guys saw the disaster, and now you guys see the clean kitchen. Only thing remaining is to grab all of these and put them in the laundry room. And then Jalen will wash it because that's a him task. I just fed the bigger girls. Now I feed Iris. That's a me task. Jalen wants nothing to do with feeding these dogs. Yeah, girl, there's your food. And I just dropped a bunch of crap on the floor the entire time I was cleaning, wiping everything down, just throwing it on the floor. And that's a Jalen task. It makes sense to us. And he should be at time. Now he's gonna come and we can hang out for a little. In the meantime, I'm going to edit this vlog and hopefully post for you guys for tomorrow. I think it might be too late at this point for tonight.
You honest, yo, I'm gonna tell you something. I was done with Naya bath, and I had put a towel up already, like a little bath towel, but I forgot. Oh shit, I didn't wipe her face. So I wanted to like get a towel back wet again, so I turned on the water, like kind of full blast.
Yeah.
Bro, tell me why your daughter jumped out the tub. Like, I'm not talking about like.
Oh, she got scared.
Bro, I never seen her do this before. She literally grabbed the thing. She was holding my hands and she climbed up off that hole. Both legs. Both legs. Like, both
Oh, is
knees.
that when she started crying?
Yeah, both knees jumped
Oh,
out
babe,
the
I
tub.
told you she's scared of the water.
I know that, but I couldn't believe that she jumped out the tub like that.